Right. I know. Same with Duncan. I'm taking a video of him right now because he's doing his like coughing hacking thing, and that was him. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna upload this to YouTube so I can send a link to Dr. Paul. Yeah, he's just like doing it a lot right now. Yeah, yeah. Duncan never throws up. He just like but it's not even. It's more like a cough, like a hacking. It's not. It doesn't seem. It's not dry heaving. Like his stomach isn't convulsing or whatever. It's no. Duncan, I'm sorry. Duncan's like, why the fuck are you recording me? Stop it. I'm like right in his face. Oh my god, he won't stop doing it. Yeah, I'm gonna send this to Dr. Chow.